Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove the background from your videos on CapCut PC. It is super simple. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to select any video that you'd like. I'm just going to select, let's say this one. Then you're going to select remove background and select auto removal. If your background video is a green screen, you're going to want to use the chroma key. And it is like a free feature as well rather than the auto removal one, which they did make a pro. They made it into like a pro version here. I'll show you the green screen one. So if you go to chroma key and you selected the green screen, it's just going to remove the background. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!